How to temporarily turn off Bitdefender. Step 1. Launch your Bitdefender antivirus application and open the Protection tab from the left panel. Step 2. In the Antivirus feature, open the Advanced tab. Step 3. Toggle off Bitdefender Shield, then click on Yes to turn it off. Step 4. In the Protection Disable window, select a period from the drop-down and click on OK. Step 5. Open the Settings tab, then select Disabled from the drop-down for each scan feature. Step 6. Click on Return to Protection and open Advanced Threat Defense. Step 7. Click on the Settings tab, then toggle off Advanced Threat Defense. Step 8. Click on Return to Protection again, then toggle off Firewall, Vulnerability, Ransomware Remediation and Anti-Spam Protection features. Step 9. Open Online Threat Prevention Settings. After that, toggle off all the features under Web and Network Protection. Step 10. Navigate to Email Protection, open the Scan Emails drop-down and select the Don't Scan Emails option. Step 11. Open the Privacy tab from the left panel and open SafePay Settings. Step 12. Open the Settings tab and toggle off all the features. Step 13. Return to Privacy features, then open Password Manager settings. Step 14. Click here in the Want to access your old wallets option. Step 15. Open the Settings tab and toggle off the Wallet feature. Step 16. Return to Privacy features again and turn off the anti-tracker. Step 17. Go to VPN and click on Open, then click on the Pause button to turn off the VPN. Step 18. Open the Video and Audio Protection settings. Step 19. Click on the Settings tab, then toggle off Webcam Protection and Microphone Monitor. Step 20. Return to Privacy, click on Configure in Parental Control. Step 21. Sign in to Bitdefender with your ID and password. Step 22. Open the Parental Control tab from the left bar, then click on View under your profile name. Step 23. Find the device in which you want to stop parental control, then click on the three dots and select Unassign. Step 24. Return to the Bitdefender application and open the Utilities features from the left bar. Step 25. Click on Settings under Profile, toggle off Activate Profiles automatically, then click on Yes, Disable option. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.